Hello students, following question is from test series 3 subject signals and system chapter Z transform, and the question is asked for 1 mark. Question is, if u of z is equal to 2yz square plus 5z plus 14 divided by z minus 1 whole raised to 4, then the value of u2 plus and u3 are, that is for n equal to 2 and n equal to 3 are dash. So option A is 1 comma 13, option B is 2 comma 9, option C is 1 comma 9 and option D is 2 comma 13. So what we are supposed to find is the value of u of n first of all. So we can write that u of z is equal to z 2y z square plus 5 times z plus 14 divided by z minus 1 whole raised to 4. So this is nothing but, I will say in terms of representation, I can write it as a divided by z minus 1 plus b divided by z minus 1 whole square plus c divided by z minus 1 whole cube and plus d divided by z minus 1 whole raised to 4. So if we solve this, what we will get is a times z minus 1 whole cube plus b times z minus 1 whole square plus c times z minus 1 plus d. Yes, this I am only writing the numerator. So if I am solving this further, what I will get is az cube minus 3az square plus 3az minus a, yes, still further, plus bz square minus 2ab plus b plus cz minus c plus d. That is nothing but, if I take in terms of power, it will be 8 times z cube. Yes, I will take plus z square in common. This would be minus 3a plus b. Yes, then let us take z outside, so I will get 3a with this. Yes, over here it should be z, so minus 2b plus c, and finally the constants, that is minus a plus b minus c plus d. Now if we compare this with the above part, what we get is, since there is no cube term, so a should be equal to 0. Now moving further, we have minus 3a plus b to be equal to 2. So since a is 0, we get b to be equal to 2. Yes. Now still moving further, what we have is 3a minus 2b plus c, which is coefficient of z, it is equal to 5. So this has to be equal to 5. We know the value of a is 0, b is 2. So what we get is c to be equal to 9. Yes. Now still moving further, we have minus a plus b minus c plus d, it is equal to, this constant term is equal to 14. So this 14 would give us, this is, since this is 0, this is 2, c is 9 plus 9 plus d gives you 14. So this is 11, so d should be equal to 3. Fine. So what we have, the value of the equation u of z is equal to 2 divided by z minus 1 whole square plus, yes, what we get is 9 divided by z minus 1 whole cube plus 3 divided by z minus 1 whole raised to 4. Yes.